Good morning, my dear viewers, and welcome here from Tartu, southeast Estonia. It is Sunday morning, 8:30. I'm here together with Rufus, and we enjoy this quiet and peaceful morning here with a lot of birds. This morning it was raining a bit. Now the rain stopped. The temperatures are pretty cool in comparison to La Palma. So without a rain jacket and a pullover, a sweater, I don't leave the house here anymore, because anytime it can rain or get windy and cool. But that's here the weather in the north. I have to get used to it. My body likes this weather. I'm more active here, more fit, and yeah, that's good. I think Rufus too. In the beginning, Rufus was very afraid from this stone sculpture of this bear. He stopped several meters before the sculpture and was really afraid. It was in the first day and the second day. He was very tired then, and he has to get used to everything over here. Now he's cool, calm, and he knows that this is not a real bear. It was funny. I was laughing a bit, but for him it was not funny. I know, but yeah, if you see this and you think, what is he thinking when he sees that? Now he does not care. Now I'm having my second breakfast, delicious plate with salad, tomato, Greek cheese and garlic oil. Here we have this brown bread. This is so a delicious bread, I can tell you. This is with a little bit of butter. It's wow, a really good taste. Then we have boiled eggs. Cooked eggs. We have here this cheese with peppercorns inside, and cucumber, some onions. The weather is getting better. The sun was coming out lately, and I will go out later. Now I will edit the videos. I got up early today, 20 minutes before 5. That's really unusual, but I feel so fit here. And it's always very bright here early in the morning. The sun comes out very early here in the north. Rufus is chilling out here under the table. He's in very good condition. And he's he likes it to stay by my side. That's what he wants. Okay, so I will enjoy the meal. My dear viewers, hiking together with Rufus, our evening walk. It's very good, because otherwise I would stick in front of the computer. Yes, and if you have a dog, you go outside and walk, and it's very healthy. And yeah, on the other hand, I want to edit all my old video footage so that I can start new, and I like that more than to edit everything. So now I have to edit a lot in a row, but then I can edit every day just a bit, and that is the best for me, because I don't like to sit, I like to walk. Now I found by incident the German Culture Institute. That's what it is written on the sign, and it's a very beautiful building. I will show you. My dear viewers, that's it for today. Rufus and I are saying goodbye. See you next time in another video. Take care and stay safe and stay healthy. Goodbye.